morning, Friday. TGIF. What do you mean by TGIF? Hindi nga. Sinasabi yun pag Friday. TGIF.
Tanggol.
You know what? Thank God it's Friday. Thank is for T, G is for God, I is for it's, F is for Friday. So thank God
What
it's,
is
thank God it's Friday.
the
Siyempre,
Y?
taga, listen.
What's the Y? F L
Ito na lang, sagutin mo. Why do you think it's TGIF? Why are they thanking God for it? Because it's Friday.
It's the last day of school.
Yes. It's the last day of school and last day of work. Lakas ng kawa. Oh, nice earring naman. Okay. Wala lang here. You go to school, okay? Bye. God bless us all.